MCC's about to go cooking off back there, dude. Double jump. Hey guys, welcome back to another It's Joey. Today we're headed to Terra Crew Speed Metal. Speed Metal is a sweet event where drift cars and pre-runners are combined into one event where you get to watch everything unfold all in one space.
Oh, he kind of like reminds me of him.
Old man style, dude. In the leather bucket seat.
Orange hoodie from Terra Crew.
Dude, I got enough orange t-shirts, dude. Big ass bitch, bro. This thing probably weighs like 6,000 pounds and it flies. They're gonna cut that way into the crowd and drive probably right through those people. They're gonna run them over. They're just gonna mow right through those people, just knock them down. That's what this is about. Dude, there's all the fucking, there's the F100, there's Jake's rig, there's Darren's rig. This is Paul, dude. This is all American Sender. This is the truck, dude. This is the motherfucker who flies. Might as well call him Maverick. I found you here at Speed Metal.
I'm here.
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
You said you've been here since Thursday.
Yeah, we got here Thursday evening because last time we came on a Friday morning and it was already packed in here because we didn't want to miss anything.
So I think they were posting that nothing was open till Friday, wasn't it?
Friday at like 2 was like the gates open.
So they were still letting people in on Thursday?
If you're camping, you can come in. Friday was the 1450 racing and all the drift stuff. 2 heats and a main, and yeah, awesome. I mean, you can't, for my money, this is a better bargain than KOH. Sorry, KOH, but I mean, we're armed, 10, 20 feet away from these trucks,
right,
hauling ass. You can go anywhere, I mean, along the track here, because you're that close, you can see the action. I mean, what a better bargain. What else can you ask for? It's awesome, and we love it here.
This is really well put together this year, as far as how it's been,
No, it's awesome. Like I said, tons of stuff. There's mini moto racing, drifting, you got pre-runners, you got buggies, you got badass full-blown race trucks here.
It's been sad to see a couple people crash and break down.
Oh, well, yeah, they're all right. They got a proper cage that kept them safe.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that's where it's important because things happen that we can't anticipate, and we want to be safe.
Here comes Paul ripping into the corner. Get a nice slide. He's gonna come rip these whoops up.
There he comes.
Dude,
Going to the whoops.
dude.
Going to the whoops.
Not enough speed. Not enough speed to tackle those the right way. Kicking it through these whoops, that car's just moving, floating over the top. Some of these big boys should have more fun. That guy's got his phone out the window, dude, in his bare hand, just hanging on for dear life to his phone. FCC race, dude. There we go. Get some fucking throttle going on these, dude. We got All-American sender, dude. We should get a good fucking send out of that one. We got All-American sender, dude. We should absolutely no idea of what anything sounds like at this point. Completely deaf.